Fleming left hand rule. Fleming left hand rule. This rule is used to identify or determine the direction of motion in a motor. Keep in mind, Fleming left hand rule is used to find the direction of rotation or motion in a motor. Again, now what is the rule? If you yourself stretch the three fingers of your left hand, that is, what are the three fingers? Four fingers or index finger. Four fingers or index finger. Next, middle finger and third, thumb. If you stretch the three fingers, that is four finger, middle finger and thumb of your left hand in such a way, not in such a way, sorry. If you stretch these three fingers, each at right angle, means this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. Means if you stretch the three fingers, that is four finger, middle finger and thumb of your left hand, each at right angle with one another, that is, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Each with 90 degree with one another in such a way that the four fingers indicate the direction of magnetic field. The middle finger indicates the direction of current. Then the thumb will indicate the direction of motion, that is direction of force. Suppose this is magnetic field and this is direction of current, means the force will be perpendicular to this board in this direction. Perpendicular to this board. You can see. This is Fleming left hand rule. This is Fleming left hand rule, which is used to determine the direction of rotation of the motion, direction of rotation of in a motor. Now in next video we will study Fleming right hand rule and then ampere swimming rule.